I was taken away from the ghetto, from the Lodz Ghetto. Lodz Ghetto was hell. Every ghetto was hell. But the Lodz Ghetto specifically starved. Starvation was this. I was taken away on Saturday morning. There's a whole story around it. Surrounded by dogs, Gestapo, Kripo, you know what Kripo is? Criminal police. Every Jew was considered a criminal. What was the crime? He's alive. I was taken away from Lodz a few months before the liquidation. The liquidation is a euphemistic, it means killing, that's it. The Germans created a special language. They never said, I will kill you or I will shoot you. No, I will lay you down. Liquidation meant killing. Gassing, Arbeit. So it's a special language. I was taken away March the 4th, 1944 from my family, never to see them again. And because I was taken away, I survived. If the Germans didn't send me out from the ghetto, I would have shared the same lot as my family did. And I started to study the date. The date must contain a message. And I'm not a mystic, I'm a rational guy. But if I find something that can help me, I became mystical. I'm doing it for self-preservation, that's it. They sent me away March the 4th. It must have a message. March 4th. Don't stop. Don't give up. So this, if they sent me away March the 10th, I would have found a knot, but I tried to hold on to something to justify the reason why I survived.